Yo, I'm the nose that knows, and I know that today you join me for Dodgem Squad's challenge. Cue the intro. So the challenge is to get kitted out in a full bike kit as quickly as possible while blindfolded. They have nominated me and 9 other motovloggers to take part. So thank you very much for the invite, Dodgem Squad. Give me something else to do other than polishing my helmet during this lockdown. Yeah. So let's give it a go. In 3, 2, 1, start the clock. Oh. 1 minute 37. I nominate Hold Your Fire. Links to his channel and Dodgem Squad's video. I nominate. Get out of the way, dog. I nominate Hold Your Fire. Links to his channel and Dodgem Squad's video. And links to Dodgem Squad's original video will be in the link below.
So thanks for the nomination, the Nose That Knows. I'm going to make sure I beat your time.